Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I just got home from SFR yesterday and I had a couple boxes waiting for me, and one of them is my Scentsy Club. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you my monthly Scentsy Club. My dog will not leave my side. He was so excited while I was gone. He pooped in the house the whole time. He hasn't done that in months. Oh, he's over here whining because he wants me to pick him up. And he tore up my carpet in my bedroom. So, come on, let's get in the video. Okay, so if you like our video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And don't forget to comment below so that I know what you think about the stuff I'm about to show you. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm so excited. We just got home from SFR, and I just got word that some of the people that I was staying with and some of the people that I was hugging up a storm with at SFR have COVID. So I'm not going to open the other box because I know that is it's all Marvel stuff that a customer bought, and I don't even want to touch the box. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in my club. This dog is insane. I have my daughter walking to the grocery store right now to grab me some tests. So I feel fine, but is it wrong that I think it's worth it? Is it wrong? Anywho, I enjoyed SFR. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what is in my monthly club. So one of my favorite scents of all time, toasted marshmallow. I get 4 bars of this every month. I use it only in my living room. And if you have a litter box, which I have 4 cats, so I have a litter robot, and you can still smell, you know, the litter. This knocks it out. And I love this scent. This is a powerhouse. So toasted marshmallow. Now, another one that's a powerhouse that I have going on as we speak, because the first thing I did when I got home last night was Scentsify everything. I changed all my wax, and in my living room, I put in cherry almond pie. I only get 2 bars of it, and I'm so sad because I absolutely love this scent. I wish I would have put in more, because if you guys know your Scentsy Club, you can go down, but you can't go up in quantity. So I'm sad. Another one that I absolutely love is Blueberry Burst. It was from the Easter collection, and I loved it so much. I get 4 bars of it, and I like it in my living room. I absolutely love this scent. Oh my gosh. I love it. Love it. Love it. Okay, another one that I absolutely love that I only put in my bathroom, it's my only, like the only scent that I use in my restroom, is Coconut Cotton. It's absolutely phenomenal. I love it. It was a Bring Back My Bar. Oh my gosh, what a great scent. So that is one that I have. Another one was from the Catching Z's collection, and I only put 2 in my club, and I wish I had put more, and it's Shut Eye. I absolutely love Shut Eye. Delish. Okay, the next one that I have is It's Love, which was from the Valentine's Day collection, and I love it. It's so pretty. I use that one in my bedroom. Another one that I'm excited about is Toffee Butter Crunch. This was a scent, a fall scent, when I first joined in 2016. And so I get 1 bar every month. It's absolutely phenomenal. And I only use it in the fall. So I have a nice little stash for myself ready to go. Okay, another thing I like to get monthly are my cotton cleanups. Gotta have them. I go through them like cray-cray, and I absolutely love my cotton cleanups. And then for my half price, I go through a ton of counter clean. So I got Sunkissed Citrus. Love it. I love it in the summer. And so yeah, that's what I got. That's my club, my monthly club. I absolutely love, love, love. I just got the catalog for fall, winter. And so I was able to see what scents are in there. And there are a couple scents that I can now take out of my quarterly club, because I was worried that they wouldn't come back, but they did. So now that they did, I'm going to be able to remove them. I'll go through that with you another day. What is he doing? Hey, behave. Oh, that guy. Anywho, you guys. So, I hope I don't have COVID, but if I do, I've already had it once. And so I don't think it will be as bad, but I don't know. I feel okay, but that doesn't mean anything. So I'm going to try to stay safe and stay away from people. Anyway, you guys, I hope you like my video, and I hope if you went to SFR that you're okay as well. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.